Wishing was a bird up in the sky. I've been watching all of you as you shuffle on by, on the way to your jobs and the way to your soccer match games. I wouldn't care where you were going, and I'd never need to learn your names. I could be a snake in the tall, cool grass. Wouldn't care about the president or military brass on the war over there, or what it is we're fighting for. I just care about snake stuff. Mama, can I have some more? I could be a wolf with a cry so blue, just the sight of me would send a shiver through you. I'd come up on your porch and watch you shake like a fraidy cat. I'd scare the pants off you. I'd never eat you, but you don't know that. Or I could be a worm in the damp black earth, just a squirming through the dirt from the moment of birth, aerating your soil and growing your tomatoes and corn. Till the bird from the first verse got me on an early morn. I could be a trout swimming in a brook. Never fear illegals or the white-collar crooks, and my only enemy would be a fly with a little brass hook. When you're a fish, it's hard to find the time to read a good book. So maybe I just stay right where I'm at, with my pen and my notebook and my engineer's hat. There's no birds or snakes or wolves, and the books are all dry. It ain't easy being me, but I'm here, so I might as well try.
Thanks for watching!